beans, chop it. Good morning everyone, it's Tuesday, November 10, and today I'm going to cook vegetable lumpia. Okay, so you better watch. First I have to wear my apron like this. And if you want to follow, just follow, okay? And if you don't like to follow, just watch and then later on, cook. Okay, have a good day. Chop cabbage. Chop mushroom to add to the flavor. Then chop it like that. Put some shredded carrots. Bean sprout with the vegetable lumpia. Fried tofu is always good to add flavor. We have to add tofu, fried tofu, okay? So now I'm cooking my vegetable lumpia. So I put the garlic and the onion. I have to cook it or saute it until brown, and then I have to put this tofu. The person who ordered it doesn't like any kind of meat, so I gotta put tofu to add flavor on it. Okay, so I have to saute it. By the way, the tofu is already fried. Whenever you need and then after that you need to put all the ingredients now. You can actually put a bit of soy sauce, so just let it cook for a moment. I'm going to put soy sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, a bit of soy sauce only. Okay, and then ground pepper, and then keep on sauteing it. Now put all the ingredients. I had here the carrots, the cabbage, and the beans. And at the same time, I have to put the bean sprout. Okay. That's it. I'm going to use a bit of mamacitas to make it more tasty. Mamacitas for lumpia, like this. And then just keep on stirring it. Stirring back. Okay. Just stir it gently. And here's my finished product, sauteed vegetable for vegetable lumpia.